wake up and in the morning stretch out in my bed. Look beside me and there's Fluffy purring by my head. She's got those big green eyes and a fluffy tail, but there's one thing on her mind, and it never fails. My cat loves food more than she loves me. She's always hungry, can't you see? I try to give her love, but she just wants a treat. I love my cat, but my cat loves to eat. I pet her softer, and I hear her purr, but the moment I open the fridge, she starts to stir. She meows and she begs like she's never been fed. I give in every time, 'cause she's got me wrapped around her thread.